The Ionian pentatonic mode, also known as the major pentatonic mode, is the second mode within a minor pentatonic scale, or the first mode within a major pentatonic scale. This means that if you was playing to a minor backing track, this would fit as the second mode within that key. If you was playing to a major backing track, then this would be the root mode. This means that all of your other modes would follow on from this. Therefore, if you was in the key of A minor, for instance, then this would be the second mode. Your minor or Aeolian mode would be there, and then C major or C Ionian pentatonic would be here in the next position. If you was in a major key such as G major, then all of your modes would follow on from the Ionian pentatonic. This means that the Ionian pentatonic would land at the G position here, you'd play that, and then the modes would follow from there. The Ionian pentatonic mode consists of a root, major second, major third, perfect fifth, a major sixth, and then you would end up back at a root when you're at the octave. In tones and semitones, that would be root, whole tone, 3 semitones, whole tone, 3 semitones. If I was to play that from the low E string up to the high G, so going through 2 octaves, that would be 8th fret on the low E, 10th fret on the low E, 7th fret on the A, 10th fret on the A, 7th fret on the D, 10th fret on the D, 7th fret on the G, 9th fret on the G, 8th fret on the B, 10th fret on the B, 8th fret on the high E, and then I like to add in this 10th fret here on the high E as well. I'm going to do a close-up demonstration now of the Ionian pentatonic mode in the key of A minor or C major, with on-screen tab and an on-screen neck diagram for you to learn to visualize the shape. I'm going to play at 70 BPM in quarter notes. Now let's give you a daily practice workout to work on your muscle memory for the Ionian pentatonic mode. Using the rule of 4, play the mode ascending and then descending and repeat 4 times. Ascending, descending, when you feel like you've got the hang of it, you could either regularly carry on with the workout of me playing it, or you could just try it yourself to a click. We're going to do it at 70 BPM